Namaste. I'm Ranjan Hosur.
I'm Shala Susur. Today is World Water Day.
Due to various reasons, the world is suffering from serious water crisis.
In this special day, we request everyone avoid water pollution as much as possible.
Recycle and reuse wherever it is possible. We clean our vessels here, but at the same time, we are polluting the fresh water. We wash our clothes here, but at the same time, we are polluting the fresh water. We clean the floor, but at the same time, we are polluting the fresh water.
Yes, we cannot avoid this washings and cleanings, but we can recycle this water.
We are doing it. We are doing it from last 2.5 years using this system. In this 2.5 years, this system is filtered more than 5 lakh liters of polluted water.
Which means we have avoided more than 5 lakh liters of water pollution from our home.
Since we are filtering and reusing the water, we have saved the same volume of fresh water at our home. And this system is doing the job for us. It is the most compact and zero energy based grey water filter. It is built in just 28 square feet. From last 2.5 years, it is continuously working for us without any maintenance. Almost every day it is avoiding 5 to 600 liters of water pollution from our home, and at the same time it is saving the same volume of water for us, which we store in the tank. From the storage tank, first we will pump the filtered water to a terrace garden. This is the micro sprinkler setup. And we'll collect all the excess water from these pots, and there is a drainage system below the pallet, and this water will flow back to the same storage tank. And this is the excess water which is coming from our terrace garden. So there is nothing called wastewater, so we don't waste water. So we are recycling the polluted water, we are filtering the polluted water, we are using it in the terrace. From there again we are recollecting, and this is the third time usage of the same water. We are cleaning it and we are giving back to the nature. Yes, it is possible.
Together we can change the world.
On this special day, I request everyone, let us not limit our focus just for today. Let us work together.
Save nature for better future. Thank
Thank
you.
you.